How involved are you with marketing and publicity?
What about it?
How involved are you with marketing and publicity?
You know, before I used to think I knew it. Now I just don't get into it, because I think there are a set of people who are very well equipped, informed, and very capable of handling that side of the business. And so, best thing is, unless or until they are totally projecting your product in a wrong manner, which is totally against the soul of the film, you should let them do it. I learned it from Kahani actually. Normally what happens, you make a film, you're very involved in making the film, you put in a lot of hard work, as does others, to make a film, and once it's ready, you're in that incredible fucking need to say, "Are sabko dikhao," so people can say something good about it, or whatever, uncontrollable urge. But the fact is, again, because it's somebody else's money, that person needs to, in Bengali we have this word called stan kal patra, the time, the people, and the place. You have to release it at the right time in order to get the maximum possible advantage out of that product. So I think in Kahani what they did, they waited, let the dirty picture come, which actually gave us a huge amount of boost, and then they released it after that. So it actually worked. Whereas I was thinking, my thought process at that point, why? Because why is Dirty Picture getting the benefit of? Because Vidya was coming out of Pa and Ishqiyan. No, Ishqiyan and Jessica. Pa, Ishqiyan, Jessica. 3 films, right?
Yeah.
So she was carrying a bit of goodwill at that point of time. So I wanted that goodwill for myself. I was very selfish about that. I was saying, no, mujhe chahiye. And they said, calm down. First rule of filmmaking, which I forgot. You know what the first rule of filmmaking is? Calm the fuck down. That's it. That's all you need to do.
But trailers, do you cut your own trailers?
No. I don't know how to.
You don't know how to.
I don't know how to.
So you'll someone else.
I do. I try to. What I try to do is I try to get a couple of scenes which will help them in making the trailer. That's it. But placing those scenes, whether the scenes can be placed in the trailer, I leave it to them, because
giving away or not giving away.
Yeah, it's very hard, Ray. It's very hard because cutting a trailer is a very specific and specialized job. We think we know, at least I know I don't. Maybe there are directors who can cut a very good trailer. I know Sanjay Gupta. Goops cuts the most awesome fucking trailers ever. He can take anything and make it look good. So he has that talent, but I don't. So I leave it to. So, but this time I tried something with Kahani, which actually worked. I give them the script the same time I give everybody else, my people who makes my trailer.
Okay.
So it actually helps them. So I tell them, you think of it if you need any shots, right? Because again, a trailer is just my trick to get you into the hall. So I don't care. I'll do anything to get you into the hall. Even if it means me going out in the streets dancing naked, I'll do it as long as you come to the hall, right? Because at the end of the day, I can make the world's best film, right? But if you don't see it, what does it mean? How does it matter?
Yeah.
So I have to get you into that hall for you to at least assess, yes, he's made a good film. No, he's made a potty film. And you walk away. So I think a trailer is a place where you can really cheat and con and do all kind of horrible
manipulations to get.